The next one, and this was Mr. Shakil. It's his first day, and he will try definitely to speak an effective English. And तो एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू? सुहागन के सर का ताज होता है, और सुहागन का हर औरत की जिंदगी का ये हर औरत के सर का ताज होता है, और पालक का साग होता है. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
The laws so that we can abide to have a better society. Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament, and it consists of 545 members presently, out of which 530 are elected ones and others are from the UTs.
Their life, even Abdullah sir also struggle a lot. That's why he is now here. So
पर कितने तारे खिले छुप गए, क्या खबर कितने तारे खिले छुप गए, पर ना डूबा ना डूब. With confidence.
Some of the interesting sections.
Yes. So when I took the admission in law, so my first subject people's new religions, new places, new things, new food, and everything is new there. And we
दुनिया मेरी दुनिया, दुनिया मेरी.
Things are listening is very most important. Writing and
all are in a night drink wine and all are abused. Yes.
मेरे मम्मी पापा मतलब बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत सपोर्टिव हैं. बिकॉज जब मैं आया था दिल्ली तो पापा मम्मी चाहते तो बहुत इमोशनल हो सकते थे जब हमें छोड़ के गए, लेकिन वो अपने हार्ट को एकदम मतलब पत्थर बना के मेरे सामने नहीं रोए. लेकिन जब वो ट्रेन में मम्मी मेरी बैठी तो कॉल किया हमको, कह रही हैं अरे बेटा तुम तो रो ही नहीं हो क्या, आप तो जानती हैं. तो फिर मतलब बहुत सपोर्टिव है हमारे मम्मी पापा. फाइनेंशियली सपोर्टिव हमारे फादर हैं. पापा शो नहीं करते हैं कि वो बहुत सपोर्टिव है, लेकिन माँ शो करती हैं. तो हम ऐसा देखा जाए कि बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि मम्मी ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव, पापा ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव, लेकिन हमको लगता है दोनों एकदम अपने दिल से पूरा सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Okay. What you want to do for your parents in future in English?
इन इंग्लिश
बोलना इंग्लिश में.
Oh.
What do you want to do for your parents?
I want to do for my parent is I will give him or her happy in full life.
Okay, don't underestimate the power of a common girl. Most of the time people used to say like girls are very weak, girls can't do anything in their life, and they are just useless and like pugnacious and all the things. But I want to say that कि girls are more powerful person in this world. भारतीय नारी सब पर भारी. So be careful, okay?
How do you feel to be an Indian?
I feel very proud. Like I'm Indian and I love my country, and I feel very good because I'm Indian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Living in Delhi.
Living in Delhi, in my opinion, like according to me, Delhi is very good place, and for education, for job, for business, for everything. But some of the thing is bad in Delhi also, like pollution, fraud, thieves, most of the things is there. And for education, for a student life, it's very good place. Okay. कितनी बेचैन हो के तुमसे मिली, कितनी बेचैन हो के तुमसे मिली, तुमको क्या थी खबर कि मैं कितनी अकेली. हाँ 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 हाँ, कि कितनी मोहब्बत है तुमसे, जरा पास आके तो देखो, क्या आग है धड़कनों में, गले से लगा के तो देखो, बताई न जाए जुबां से ये हालत, मेरे दिलो जां को तुम्हारी है चाहत. कितनी बेचैन हो के तुमसे
There is much more to do in the judicial system of the country.
डेमोक्रेसी वर्सेस प्लूटोक्रेसी.
Those were the golden days when plutocracy was in the system. Now most of the countries are following democracy. Democracy is constituted of two words, demo and cracy. Demo means people and cracy means ruling. So basically democracy is the ruling of the people, where people choose who is going to represent us and rule us. Basically it is not ruling, it is just, will frame the laws so that we can abide to have a better society.
लोकसभा.
Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament, and it consists of 545 members presently, out of which 530 are elected ones and others are from the UTs. And there are 3 sessions in Lok Sabha. The summer session, the budget session and the winter session. And money bills can only be originated in the Lok Sabha.
निर्मला सीतारमण.
In my personal opinion, I think she's the worst finance minister that India has ever seen. Under his reign, yeah. So we are seeing a very deep fall in the economic system.
Okay. Experience in Delhi.
So it's good, just.
Just good. Okay. 2-line song.
यही नहीं हो पाएगा.
Try it.
सर हो ही नहीं पाएगा.
हाँ? Just give it a try. कभी ऐसा होता है कि अकेले में बैठ के
खुशी में तो नहीं गाया है, लेकिन
खुशी में नहीं, गम है.
हाँ, मतलब-
आज सोच लीजिए गम ही है.
सर बहुत हो गया आप तो गम.
I am undergraduate in civil engineering, Punjab Technical University. Next sir Hindi.
Okay. अपना पर्पस आप बताइए. हैप्पीनेस इंस्टीट्यूट आप क्यों आए हैं इन हिंदी?
हैप्पीनेस मुझे ज़रूरत किताबें पढ़ना या एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी करने के लिए इंग्लिश की नीड थी बहुत ज़्यादा, और उसके लिए मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा सर्च किया, और उसके बाद अब्दुल्ला सर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे, और एकदम रियली टीचर. एक टीचर की भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, कुछ होते हैं बाहर से, मगर अब्दुल्ला सर रियल टीचर तो बहुत अच्छे लगे, इसलिए अब्दुल्ला सर चूज करके हैप्पीनेस इंस्टीट्यूट.
ओके, दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग. तो अब यहाँ से आपकी उम्मीदें क्या हैं कि क्या क्या आप अपने अंदर बदलाव लाना चाहते हैं यहाँ का क्लास करके? आज आपका पहला दिन.
जी. सर कोशिश करेंगे जितने हो सकेगा, पूरा अपना एफर्ट लगाएंगे, और इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग और पूरी एकदम इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करके जो ज़रूरत है उसको पूरा करेंगे. जैसे हाँ, जैसे बुक रीडिंग करना, एकदम बढ़िया से स्पीच करना हो गया, उसके बाद पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, और मतलब जो बहुत सारी इंग्लिश की जो कमियां हैं उसको दूर करके पूरा आला पर एकदम.
ओके. एनी नात गजल?
क्या खबर कितने तारे खिले छुप गए, क्या खबर कितने तारे खिले छुप गए, पर ना डूबा हमारा नबी.
Hello everyone, good morning. Nepal is a small and a beautiful country, and it is also a landlocked country, and it is diverse for the many culture, religion, and so many things that we can found in the Nepal.
To be a lawyer and advocate.
Sir, if you are living in a country like India, so it is very important to aware about the laws. Otherwise, there are many people, there are many police cops. They try to fool you. So if you are aware of laws, then definitely you are going to spend your life with confidence.
Some of the interesting sections.
Yes. So when I took the admission in law, so my first subject was IPC. So in IPC under section 101, I came to know that if anyone guards into your house during the night, so you can kill him, and you will get the defense of it, guide to property defense.
Right. What about 307?
307 is half murder. So if anyone tries to kill anyone and somehow he is still alive, so the section 307 will impose on him.
Great. Something about high courts.
Sir, there are three kind of courts exist in India, like Supreme Court, High Court, and District Court. So if you want to become a lawyer of High Court, so you need 5 advocates who sign on behalf of you that they knows you. So on the basis of that, you can start practicing in High Court.
Nice. Okay. So, Anuj, after 5 years.
Sir, actually, although I was not interested in law earlier, but yes, since I have started, pursuing LLB, so I have started developing interest in that field. But definitely, if I talk about next 5 years, so I should be a successful entrepreneur. Like I will do a little bit practice in a court, so that I can get a little practical knowledge, so that no one can tries to fool me in the future.
2 lines of.
सर ये नहीं होता.
नहीं. Court.
हाँ कोड बता रहा हूँ. There is a something positive in a bad situation, because a broken lock so is all.
They like even Abdullah sir also struggle a lot. That's why he is now here. So struggle is a part of life.
Never give up.
Yeah, never give up in your life.
Never give up.
Okay, I have to talk about never give up. Okay, so it's kind of struggle also. Like if you just do struggle and all, and suddenly you just give up. So what's the benefit of that struggle? Of course not. So just try to not give up on yourself, and just try to believe yourself, because it's very important to achieve anything in your life.
Operation.
Operation, so
Cooperation.
cooperation. Okay.
Help.
Help, yeah. So if you help to everyone, then it will be sir, cooperation like in
Cooperation is a kind of help.
yeah sir, but मतलब like ऐसे साथ देना kind of.
Exactly, yes.
Okay. So cooperation in life, there is need of cooperation. If you just helps to another, if you help to everyone, then it will be helpful for you also. Sir, cooperation के लिए इतना, yeah.
Some dialogues in Hindi.
Dialogues in Hindi for what?
English speaking trainer as well as public speaking and personality development. So I joined your institute, Happiness Institute.
Okay. Future plans.
Sir, I want to teach like you, sir, because I want to become a English trainer.
Okay, that's fantastic. कितनी तारीफ मिलेगी यार आज? Planning है? कौन सी planning है? Okay. Something about English, tips of English speaking from your side.
How to learn English?
Yes, how to learn and speak English.
Sir, first of all, we need to consistency, because consistency is very most important. Suppose that you are taking class, so you have to go daily, every day. Because if you don't have consistency, you can't learn English. Writing or listening. Most important things is listening. Listening is very.
Yes, because of optical, right?
Yep.
Okay, fine. Travel.
Travel? Well, sir, I think the best thing a person can do is travel, because when we travel, we get to know about new peoples, new religions, new places, new things, new food, and everything is new there, and we have like a refreshment of our mind. So it's very important. Everyone should travel. Dhruv, sir, well, sir, he's a very good guy, and to be honest, I'm kind of inspired by his speech, because whenever he speaks with confidence. Doesn't matter whatever thing is. Even today, you give him different topics, but he speaks very well, and he used some words that we don't listen that often. So yeah, he's a good guy.
That's great. Okay, Sachin.
Sachin, well, sir, Sachin is also like a smart, like I guess he's the most smartest person in our class, because whenever there's a topic about debate, everyone is like scared of Sachin. Ki, if it's debate, then we will take Sachin in our team. So I guess he's very smart. Shambhavi. Well, sir, Shambhavi is like she's the most kind in a whole batch. Then in this new batch, because she was like giving us some I can say like एक्सर सुलाव ये सब दे रही थी कि लाइक आप ये कर सकते हो. इवन आई टोल्ड हर कि आई वांट टू ट्रैवल लाइक आफ्टर माय एजुकेशन, सो शी वाज गिविंग मी एडवाइस कि आप यहाँ जा सकते हो, यहाँ पे जा सकते हो. इवन नीड नहीं थी उसकी, स्टिल शी वाज गिविंग मी लाइक एवरी एडवाइस शी कैन गिव मी. या सना well sir, she's my best friend, so she's the best person in my life, and sir I admire her. There are a lot of things because when we came in the institute, I was like not speaking that well, and
This is true.
Shamsan Ghat. Because in front of his house there is a crematorium. Yes.
कभी न कभी जाना है सर वहाँ पे.
कभी न कभी जाना है. मौत के बारे में आप हिंदी बोलें.
सर मौत जिसको आनी होती है तो आ जाता है, और भगवान लिख देते हैं कि हाँ आपको जाना है, आज तो जाना ही जाना है, चाहे कैसे भी जाओ.
आपका प्लान That's fine. Do you think it is a journey?
आई थिंक सर ये हम किरदार हैं, ये लोग हम लोग. हाँ हम लोग किरदार हैं इस जिंदगी के. किराएदार.
We are tenants.
Yes.
We are living on this planet. We are tenants.
Yes.
Who is landlord?
I am Akash. I'm from UP. My qualification 12 pass. My hobby is running. My future goal be pharmacy.
Hi, good morning
Out,
everyone.
out.
Good morning everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Rajendra Singh Bist and I am from Takulti Almora, Uttarakhand. And I lived in Delhi at Vinod Nagar.
Hello everyone, this is Sana and I'm pursuing BA second year and I belong to UP.
Hello, good morning, sir, and good morning to all of you. My name is Anshul, and I live in Delhi.